I'm filming 365 seconds every day for 365 days, and this is day 16. We are about to go on a boat cruise down Tam Coc River. Wait, hang on. That's more like it. So we've just jumped into a boat and we're going on a cruise down the Tam Coc River, which is in Ninh Binh in Vietnam. We had a look at it yesterday from a bird's eye view up on top of a cliff that we climbed up. But now we get to do the actual passageway through the green fields and the limestone cliffs. Yeah, let's go. So this is a very picturesque, common thing for tourists to do. We're about in central, almost north Vietnam, and this lake is so dramatic because it's right amongst all these limestone cliffs. It's pretty crazy because everything's just flat and then it's just this high rising limestone cliff. So it's very touristy. You have to wear life jackets in pretty much all the boat activities in Vietnam, but it's okay if you get a child-sized life jacket because then it's kind of like a baby jacket. What's interesting is all the rowers are using their feet to row the boat, which is sick. I saw like a girl before trying. I reckon it would be really, really hard. It would take a lot of skill, but yeah, very cool. So we've heard that sometimes on this cruise it can get a little bit scammy. Sometimes they take you over to people's shops and don't leave until you buy something, or kind of force you to give them a tip and wait and won't keep going unless you do. But our rower seems really nice and lovely, so we'll just have to see if we encounter any of that. We had a little bit of a scam yesterday when we went and hiked up this hill, so you never know. That's where we hiked to yesterday. Well, not just the flag, but actually up to the dragon up there. Yeah. But yeah, it's very, very pretty. Probably best to do this when there's like less tourists and orange life jackets floating around on the river, but that's okay. The colours of the rocks are so pretty. This is sick. This is like a picturesque river snaking through these limestone cliffs. It's like unlike any other natural phenomenon I've seen. comes the rain. Okay, it is officially raining now. So we out.